This product demonstration by DuBois Chemicals illustrates the cleaning power of Neutralift on an aluminum surface covered in heavy oil. Neutralift is an effective concentrated floor cleaner, ideal for cleaning a wide variety of light to heavy industrial soils from numerous hard surfaces such as glass, floors, painted surfaces, and most metals. This low-foaming universal product can be used in automatic floor scrubbers, pressure washers, steam cleaning equipment, and more. Neutralift has a mild pH for user safety and wastewater discharge. Additionally, it doesn't contain any hazardous ingredients. Neutralift's concentrated formula is our most user-friendly floor and general-purpose cleaner. Observe what happens when the aluminum panel coated in heavy oil is submerged in a Neutralift solution without any agitation, brushing, or pressure. Within seconds, the oil begins being pulled to the surface. Notice the small oil bubbles separating from the aluminum panel and float to the top. Neutralift's special formulation leaves surfaces clean and residue-free. Contact us for more information at DuBoisChemicals.com.